Friends, if you're tired of pausing video tutorials just to copy someone else's code, this overview will feel familiar. Learning often turns into watching and rewinding, which rarely feels productive. My name is Daniel, and today we're breaking down Educative I/O. The platform takes a different approach by removing video entirely and focusing on interactive, text-based learning. Instead of passively watching someone write programs, you work through clear explanations and apply what you read right away. The coding happens directly in the browser, without setting up environments or installing anything locally. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. Educative is an online learning platform built around interactive, text-based education for software development and technical skills. Instead of video-heavy courses, it combines written explanations with live coding directly in the browser. The platform focuses on active learning. You read a concept, apply it immediately, and get feedback along the way, without setting up environments or installing tools. This keeps learning structured, practical, and easy to stay focused on. Mates, the core idea behind Educative becomes clear very quickly. You're not watching someone else write code. You're reading explanations and actively working through the material yourself. Each lesson follows a simple flow. You read a short section of theory, and right after that you complete a task. There's no need to set up environments or install software. Everything works straight out of the box inside your web browser, which keeps the focus on learning instead of configuration. Guys, in the main Explorer page, you'll find a large catalog of topics. It ranges from learning Python or Java from scratch to more advanced subjects like system architecture and AWS cloud technologies. You can move between topics freely and explore different areas as your skills grow. Let's open a beginner course to see how this looks in practice. The first thing you notice is that there's no video player. Instead, the content is fully interactive, guiding you through concepts step by step. Folks, right inside the lesson, you see a live code editor. This editor is connected directly to a server, which means you can write and run code instantly. You click Run, and the program executes right there in the browser, without delays or extra setup. You don't need to install complex tools on your computer. Everything runs online. But learning rarely goes perfectly, and sometimes you have very specific questions that aren't fully covered in the lesson itself. Folks, this is where the personal AI tutor comes in. You can ask questions in the chat and use Fenzo as an on-demand tutor that explains concepts and responds to you in real time. The answers often include runnable code blocks, so you can immediately test ideas instead of guessing how something works. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. All of this runs inside containerized environments. When needed, a full application is deployed for you, and you can open it directly in the browser and interact with it. For example, even something like a simple tic-tac-toe game can run directly inside the learning interface with Fenzo. Friends, as you continue, another common challenge appears, especially for beginners. Cloud technologies often feel intimidating. Learning AWS often means dealing with extra setup and ongoing concerns about managing resources and avoiding unexpected costs. Educative approaches this differently. You select a project, click Start Lab, and follow the interactive instructions provided by the platform. You open the console, and this console is not a simulation. It's a real tool, but it runs in a safe sandbox environment. Mates, you don't need to configure anything manually. You get temporary access, complete the task, and once you're done, the system cleans everything up for you. This makes working with cloud technologies feel controlled and stress-free. Everything happens inside this sandbox-style setup, safely included within the subscription. The broader goal behind all of this is job preparation. Interview prep is often chaotic, with endless coding problems, countless videos, and no clear direction. Here, the process starts with a plan. Friends, the personalized roadmap feature helps create that structure. You generate a roadmap by defining what role you're aiming for and what you want to focus on. From there, you follow a list of relevant topics and continue progressing by answering coding questions and solving practical tasks. Along the way, you can rely on guidance, get support when needed, submit your work, and review feedback as you progress. The entire process happens in an interactive format, without relying on long videos where it's hard to repeat or apply what you see. Folks, what stands out about the roadmap approach is focus. You don't need to learn everything. You concentrate only on what's required for the role you selected during the briefing. Beyond the well-known Grokking series, the platform also includes AI mock interviews. Here, artificial intelligence conducts interview simulations, evaluates your answers, and provides feedback on where you made mistakes and where your responses were strong. Mates, this helps reduce stress before real conversations with recruiters. You prepare specifically for what you need, without unnecessary distractions that are common on more traditional learning platforms. Friends, after spending time with Educative, it feels like a platform built around clarity rather than noise. The focus stays on active learning, where you read, practice, and experiment instead of passively watching long videos. What stands out is how the platform reduces friction. You code directly in the browser, work in safe cloud sandboxes, and follow a roadmap that keeps preparation focused on the role you actually want. The experience feels structured and easier to manage, even when learning starts to feel overwhelming. Folks, I personally use this platform and find it helpful, but whether it fits your goals or learning style is always up to you. I hope this overview helps you decide if this approach makes sense for you right now. It's also worth mentioning that Educative has recently launched the Educative Go mobile app. It makes it easy to keep learning on the go, whether you're commuting or just squeezing in short study sessions. You'll find links in the description below. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.